In today's digital world, social media is everything. It's the new marketplace. It's where you connect with your audience. Businesses need a strong social media presence to thrive. Imagine this: you have a fantastic product, but nobody knows about it. Social media is like that busy marketplace. It's where you can shout about your product from the rooftops. A strong social media presence builds trust. People buy from those they trust. It's like having a friendly shopkeeper who everyone knows and loves. Social media is not just about selling, it's about engagement, building relationships, and growing your brand. It's about creating a community around your product or service. Managing social media can be tough. It takes time and effort to build a following. This is where SMM panels come in. They are your secret weapon to fast-track your social media growth. Think of SMM panels as your social media assistants. They help you get more likes, followers, and engagement. They give your social media profiles that extra boost. SMM panels offer a wide range of services. You can get more likes on your Facebook posts. You can increase followers on your Instagram profile. You can even get more views on your YouTube videos. With SMM panels, you can focus on what you do best: running your business. Let the panels handle the heavy lifting of boosting your social media presence. SMM panels are like online marketplaces. They connect you with service providers who offer various social media engagement services. Think of it like ordering food online. You choose what you want, and it gets delivered to you. You create an account on an SMM panel and add funds. Then you select the services you need. It could be more followers, likes, or views. The panel then delivers these services to your social media profiles. These panels work with a network of real users. These users engage with your content, giving you that much-needed boost. It's like having a dedicated team working behind the scenes to make your social media shine. However, not all SMM panels are created equal. It's crucial to choose a reputable panel that provides high-quality services. Just like any online service, safety is paramount when using SMM panels. Choosing a credible provider is key to protecting your accounts and your reputation. Look for panels with positive reviews and testimonials. Do your research. Choose panels that offer secure payment gateways and protect your privacy. Avoid panels that promise unrealistic results overnight. Real growth takes time. Focus on organic engagement alongside SMM panel services. Remember, SMM panels are tools to enhance your social media presence, not shortcuts to success. Use them wisely, and you'll be well on your way to building a thriving online community.